So we had a pretty tight channel up, and now it looks like the bulls are giving up. But when the channel is this tight, a lot of bulls see this as value, and will just buy the close as soon as it closes. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a quick bounce here, and I do want to sell the bounce. So 29 for 39, 1 point scalp. Usually these strong bull trends don't lead to bear trends. They usually lead to sideways action or trading ranges. So instead of selling this close, I think we're going to get 2 legs down, but I'd prefer to sell a bit higher. So if I can get a 39 sell, that would be pretty good, and I'm willing to scale in higher as well. Alright, this is a pretty good buy signal bar, so I'm going to pull my order, and I'm still looking to sell up here, but I'll wait to see what the next bar looks like. I'm okay with selling 42 if we get there. So my thought here is, I did raise my order to the top of this climax, this big red bar. My thought is that I think we're going to get a second leg down, but even if we don't, the rally up had a give up bar. So the bulls who were buying up here already dumped, and so I think the buying is done for today. I think we're either going to go down for a second leg, or and maybe test down to 258.20, or down to 258.06, or we'll just enter a trading range and go sideways for the rest of the day. But I don't think we're going to get more buying, so that's why I'm okay with selling up here, thinking that if we get a quick sell off, I can make a point, and if we don't get the sell off, it'll go sideways for long enough to allow me to get out break even. It also might not fill me, but that's my thought. I think we're probably going to go sideways for the rest of the day, and so that's why I'm okay with selling here. And I'll probably scale in a bit higher, 1 point higher, and then get out at my original entry. Another thing is that when this goes up slowly like this, so you get a big bear drop off and then it starts to rally up really slowly, it increases the chances for a big breakout to the upside. And this is considered a small pullback bull trend. On these kinds of days where there's a lot of consistent buying throughout the day, you get one bear sell-off, which is usually a trap, or can be a trap. And when you get a really weak rally, it increases the chances that you won't just get a small rally and a pullback. When you get little consolidation here, there is a possibility that if we do go higher, it ends up being a big bull bar, which would trap me. But I still think that even if we get a big bull bar, that we're probably going to go mostly sideways for the rest of the day. So I still think I'll be able to get out break even. So technically this is a bear flag right now. Bear breakout, bear flag. And we might get a bull breakout of a bear flag and go up to a new high. And that would look something like, I think there's a better example than this, but it would be like this. A bear sell-off, going up weekly, and then you get a big bull bar here, go up to a new high, but you still go sideways. Trying to find a better example, but it's pretty common. Here. Bear. This is not a small pullback trend, but still a bear spike, 2-bar bear channel, 2-bar bear flag, and then you get a bull breakout instead up to a new high, but still go sideways. So that's what I'm banking on. So a lot of the bulls who bought above this bar have their target at the high of this bar. So, and they'll keep buying until we get there. So that's a common target, and I think they'll take profits there, which will lead to a slight sell-off. And again, even if it doesn't, I think we'll go sideways, so I'll be able to get out break even. So it touched my limit order, but didn't fill me. This went up as high as 258.43, so we'll see if it can fill me here. Alright, so hit my limit order but didn't fill me. So it looks like it's going down without me here. So I'm going to pull my order here. So my entry was at 43. My target was at 33. And it looks like it's trying to get there now. So I did not get filled here. I would have gotten filled if I kept my order. Maybe I was a bit too impatient, but it ended up working out, and it went down to test this close, went as low as 23, and ended up going sideways for the rest of the day. So my premise was okay, but I'm not sure if I made a mistake here and was just too impatient, but it did end up working out. My target was at 33, so it did fill me. It would have filled me, my profit target, and went a bit lower as well, and continued going sideways for the rest of the day. So this was my first trade that wasn't really a trade, but if you do end up watching this, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, let me know what your analysis was for today, and yeah, thanks for watching.